Hi, welcome back to my channel. These viral anime ASMR cooking videos are taking over social media right now. And the craziest part is I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos for free. Yep, completely free. So let's get started. First, open the master prompt. You'll find the link in the pinned comment. Once you're there, copy the entire master prompt. Now open Claude. If you prefer ChatGPT, that's completely fine too, because the process works just as well. Once you're inside, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. After a few seconds, Claude will ask you to choose a character. You can select a male character, a female character, or even upload your own reference character. For this tutorial, I'm going with female, so I simply type female into the prompt box and hit send. A few seconds later, Claude will generate 10 different food options for you to choose from. Pick whichever one you like. For this example, I'm going with this one. So I simply type the number and hit send. And just like that, Claude generates a highly detailed video prompt for us. Copy the entire prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to video generation mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio and select the Omni Flash video model. Now paste the video prompt into the prompt box and click generate. It usually takes around a minute, so just wait for it to finish. And there we go. Our first video is ready. Just take a look at this. The result looks absolutely incredible. The anime character, the cooking movements, the atmosphere, and the satisfying ASMR details all come together perfectly. Honestly, this kind of video is almost impossible to scroll past. And the best part is, we're not stopping with just one video. Download the video in the highest resolution available, then go back to Claude and choose another food item from the list. This time I'm going with number 3. So I simply type 3 into the prompt box and hit send. As you can see, Claude instantly generates another detailed video prompt. Copy that prompt, head back to Google Flow AI, paste it into the prompt box, make sure you're still in video generation mode and click generate. Wait a few seconds and look, our second anime cooking video is ready. Download that one as well, and that's literally the entire process. No complicated editing, no expensive software, and no advanced skills required. You can keep going back to Claude, choosing different foods, generating new prompts, and creating as many unique videos as you want. The hardest part now is probably deciding which food you're going to eat after watching all these videos. So that's how you can create these viral anime ASMR cooking videos completely for free. If you want to discover more viral AI videos before everyone else jumps on them, check out my channel. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.